And I just gave you a document. I'm going to open it up on my side real quick while you have it open on your side. All right, tell me when you see it.
Monday.com. Just mint.com purpose board column and automation database and board lead and board two display, board three, board four, potential 1 and 5 plan. Perfect. I got it.
Okay, now I there might be some automations and stuff like that, but I just wanted to give you the gist of what it is. Does that help what I gave you?
First, I will set up these all things and I will
Right.
set up automation everything.
Okay, so
After,
let me tell you what the big picture is so you can understand. We do events, okay? And right now we get leads from all these different ways. We get emails, we get word of referrals, word of mouth, Google, like these third-party sites, Party Slate, my website, EMRG. Then we get them from venues. Nebula is a venue it's a client of mine. We get leads from that. We get leads from another venue, Amber. So right now they come all over. It's all over the place. It's disorganized. So I want to use Monday as the central hub. All the leads go into Monday, one system. It's organized. Then my assistant, Janica, she will manage it after you build it to make sure we know what's going on in there. So that's what I call the war room. So the war room is going to be Monday. Okay. So everything comes in there. Then we have the boards that we said, board number one, board number two, number three, number four. So once the online one is done, then they're going to be a physical boardroom in my office in New York City. So she will give that data to like look at the thing that I had up. Well, I'll show it to you real quick.
okay,
Okay. So all this information, this is board one that she'll have. Board number two, I'm not sure about that one. Board number three, this one, monthly revenue. There'll be a board in New York City that have the monthly revenue. We'll have Erica wanted some sub targets, so let me just put them here. She wanted what? Nebula, Nebula.
Amber.
Oh, Amber.
Referral.
No, and EMOJ.
Oh, and hearsay, which she hasn't.
Oh, okay. Yes. So there's going to be one overall. So there's going to be an overall monthly target, right? Here. But then Nebula, Amber, Hearsay, EMRG would all add up to the overall number. Does that make sense? She just wants to know what we pull in from each one of those categories. Okay.
okay,
Then there's closed revenue this month. That's booked. Closed is booked. Booked. Okay. Contracts out, planner, leaderboard, event types, big wins. So let's say all this information is inside Monday. They will then give it to that. Just Janica does that. She will then give it to Catherine, who's in New York, who'll update the physical boards. And so Erica can see it every day. So when Erica walks into the office every day, she'll see what's going on. Does that make sense?
okay,
Okay, then these are potential deals. The date, the client name, the budget, the venue, the status, whether it's pending or booked. So these are future events coming up, future. So every time they get something, if it's pending or if it's booked, we'll go on this board. That way she can see what's going on in general. But that would be inside of Monday as well. Does that make sense?
okay,
And then the only other board I might want to have an overall, I actually do want to have this board. Let's call this 1A, client database. So every booked client will be in here. So we have a database. And then we can go over fields later. Me and you. Does this make sense?
all right,
So this is just a list of all of our clients. So we have a lot already, but I want to have it one central, and then every time we book a new client, it should go right into that database. Does that make sense?
Okay.
Okay. Does this help?
No, after set up this, then I will inform you when I need your help.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Yes.
So, when do you think do you need me tomorrow, or you're fine for tomorrow? You need you we'll talk again maybe on Wednesday or tomorrow. When do you think you'll need me?
Yes, no, I am going to start this, and tomorrow I will contact you for the detail, and I will update you what I have done and everything.
Okay, and then if you need me, always just ping me on Upwork. I'll check it every once in a while. This is a priority, so I want to get this done. And if you do a good job at this, like I said, I'll probably have other stuff for you as well. Okay. All
Okay.
right. And then anything else? Nothing? Okay. All right, cool. All
Oh,
right. Thank you very much. Oh,
okay.
wait,
Well,
did you get into Monday? See if you can get in. Did you get in?
uh, just give me a few seconds. I am checking.
Okay.
Yes.
You're in?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So you're making there's some stuff in there, but you're making new boards for this project, right?
Yes. Yes.
All right, perfect. All right,
So,
good talking to you. All right,
nice to
bye-bye.
talk to you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Okay.